So I saw this light turn up on my fridge, replace filter. So I ordered a new filter and I'm going to replace it right now. So when you open your fridge, you'll find your fridge model just here on the left-hand side, and make sure that you order the correct filter for your model. And for this fridge model, this is at the back at the top, above the top shelf. And you just turn this counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, and then the cover comes off, and that's where your filter is, just inside there. So that's what we're going to replace. So this is the old filter, and we're just going to take it out just by putting some pressure there and then lifting that up. Make sure if it falls apart, make sure that this part comes out as well, the frame comes out as well. And then here is the new filter. You'll see that it's got the word front on there, and this just clips in just like that. So once again, just a tiny bit of pressure there to put that back in, and then to put the cover back in, we're just going to be putting it in clockwise just to lock it in. So just clips in like that, and then once again turn it clockwise, and then we're good. And you'll notice the replace filter button. I just click filter reset. Notice the extra function, hold for 3 seconds. So I don't want the express freeze, I want 1, 2, 3. So the filter reset warning light is off now, but if you can't get it working, you may need to press unlock. So in case this is locked, you may need to press unlock first. Just hold your finger down. And there we are, it's unlocked. And then you should be able to do that filter reset. Hold for 3 seconds as I showed you before.